Hello everyone, day 5. I thought I couldn't make it, but I made it anyway. This is gonna be short. Yesterday, I wanted to cover architecture of a computer, but it is so broad, it can be a whole course in a term. I could not do it in one day. However, I just cover basic things today, so we can continue update the information. So we're gonna work on MIPS instruction set. MIPS is based on RISC, and it's a reduced instruction set computer. In contrast, we also have CISC, which stands for Complex Instruction Set Computer, and most of the CPU is using CISC. So MIPS has 32 registers, and they are based on SRAM that we introduced yesterday. We have different type of register, such as result register, argument, temporary, safe, and kernel register. We often use temporary register and safe register. This is a basic instruction in assembly language memory map. This instruction set has 32-bit, and whenever we update, it will add it into the address. So if we add new data, the address will increase 4. So 4 is 4 byte. And we can also access array this way. If you have experience with C or C++, we can access array value by shifting pointer address, and it is similar to assembly language, which we have a safe register is at the beginning of the array, and if we want to access array value at index 2, we're gonna add 8 byte. So we're gonna shift the address to 8 byte to get the array with index number 2. Next is stack. Stack will roll downward, so it start off with a high address, and then when we add a new value, it's gonna reduce. The address gonna be reduced, as you can see here. And lastly is memory map. We see in dynamic data we have stack with row downward and heap row upward. Besides, we also have text, which will store the instruction. We also have global data that stores symbol, and we can talk about it in the next day.